Kamusta mga aport? Ano nang balita sa inyo? So for today's video, panibagong laruan na naman ang ating bibigyan ng review at i-unbox. And today we got something special para sa mga Dragon Ball Z fan out there. And honestly, excited din ako para ipakita sa inyo ang laruan na to. So yun, isa sa mga gusto kong laruan ay ang line ng Old Grandista. Yung Grandista Nero at Grandista Resolution of Soldiers. Ang laruan natin ngayon ay Grandista Resolution of Soldiers. Ito na siya. Ayan, no? Yan mga port, ito yung Grandista Resolution of Soldiers Bardock. So, if you are a fan of a science, you already know that Bardock is one of the most iconic character in the franchise. He is the father of Goku, the low-class warrior who stood up against Frieza. Kagaya nga ng sabi ko mga pot, isa ito sa mga nag-hype na figures dahil isa ito sa mga old Grandista at kilala din siya sa pagiging malaki niya. Solid talaga yung figure mga pot, pati na rin yung mga details. So today, we are going to see if it actually lives up to the reputation. So let's get into it. Alright, first, let's take a look at the box. Right away, you can see the Grandista branding at the top. And if you know Grandista figures, you already expect a big figure. These are known for their larger scale compared to standard price figures. The front features a dramatic image of Bardock with that intense look on his face. I love the shadowing and the serious expression they choose here. It really captures Bardock's personality. You can see the Dragon Ball Z logo at the bottom and the Resolution of Soldiers line branding as well. On the sides, we get additional promotion images of the figure in the different angles. The color palette is dark and dramatic, which fits Bardock perfectly. Overall, the packaging is clean, the premium looking for a prize figure. Definitely something you could display if you're a box collector. At bago natin buksan ang figure na to mga po, shoutout muna tayo. Shoutout tayo kay Boss D Toys. Yan. Kay Boss D natin nakuha yung figure na to. Maraming salamat Boss D sa figure na to. Kung kayo ay isang toy collector, Dragon Ball fan, meron kayong shrine mga Dragon Balls, pwede nyo bisitahin ng Facebook page ni Boss D. Nagla-live din siya sa kanyang Facebook. At siguradong hindi lang naman Dragon Ball lang meron siya. Marami pa siyang ibang action figure na pwede nyo ibilin sa kanya mga aport. Alright? Let's open this up. So, ang figure natin ay BIB, back in the box. So, yan ang figure. Kuha natin yung kanyang lower part ng body. Yung upper part. At yung foot support. This side. Let's put this thing out. So there you go. One thing I immediately noticed, napakalaki ng figure na to. Hindi ba siya na-assemble niyan? At talaga namang napaka-solid mga aport. Talaga naman yung mga old Grandista, kaya gustong-gusto natin yan. Solid na solid talaga mga aport. At yung size niya, totoo ang chismis, napakalaki niya mga aport. So assemblein na natin. Napaka-simple lang ng pag-assemble sa kanya. That's it. And the foot support. There you go. Bardock. Teka lang pala. Ibagay natin yung outfit natin sa ating figure. Yun no. So yan mga aport. Parehas na kami. Okay, first impression. This thing looks amazing. The size alone makes it stand out. Grandista figures are typically 12 inches tall, and Bardock absolutely looks powerful here. The pose is simple, just a strong, natural standing pose, but it works perfectly for Bardock. He looks calm, serious, and battle ready. Now let's take a closer look at the details. Starting with the head sculpt. The facial expression is intense. That serious, determined look really captures Bardock's character. The scouter is nicely detailed with the clean paint. The hair sculpt is sharp and spiky, just how it should be for a Saiyan warrior. Moving down to the armor. Saiyan armor has nice sculpted lines. The green contrasts well with the dark blue bodysuit. The red wristbands and leg wraps add a bold pop of color. The muscle definition is impressive. The arms and chest are well defined without looking exaggerated. You can see the veins and muscle sculpts with adds realism. For a prize figure, the paint application is solid. I really like the tone separation in the armor from dark to light. Talaga naman nag-a-add ng depth sa color niya mga apot. At kagaya nga ng palagi kong sinasabi sa mga bagong figures na lumalabas ngayon, yung mga shading na yan sa mga muscle na yan, yan ang nawawala sa kanilang ngayon mga apot, na talaga namang napakagandang details pagdating sa mga figures. And now let's talk about the size. Grandista figures are known for their larger size compared sa mga standard figures. Yung mga regular Dragon Ball figures kasi mga apot is meron lang silang standard size na 6 to 7 inches. Kaya pag itinabi mo to sa kanila, sigurado it towers over them. So if you're building a Saiyan collection, meron kang shrine ng mga Saiyan, siguradong isa ito sa mga stand out pagdating sa line. Alright, let's break it down. Pros and cons. Of course, let's start with the pros. Excellent size and shelf presence, strong, accurate head sculpt, clean paint application, solid build quality, and great value for the price. Cons, I will say the port support. Ang pangit niya. So, overall, would I recommend the Grandista Bardock Resolution of Soldiers? Well, absolutely. If you are a Bardock fan, especially a Dragon Ball fan, this is a must-have for your collection. Lalo-lalo na, ito ay isa sa mga old Grandista. Yung mga old Grandista na yung mga part, sigurado, every one of them is a must-have. Ang figure na to, masasabi kong talaga namang na-capture niya yung personality ni Bardock perfectly. Strong, proud, and battle ready. The size, the sculpt, and the overall presence make this figure worth picking up. Let me know in the comment. Are you collecting a Grandista figure, especially a Dragon Ball? So once again, this is a Grandista Bardock Resolution of Soldiers. Manufacturer niya ay Banpresto at ang product line niya is Grandista. Meron siyang size na 30.28 cm or 12 inches at inirelease siya noong April 24, 2018. At bago natin tapusin ang video na to, shoutout muna tayo mga aport. Meron tayong aport na nagpapa-shoutout sa atin. Shoutout tayo kay Charles Louis Motos. Yan. Shoutout sa iyo aport. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsubaybay sa ating anime figure reviews. Maraming salamat sa iyo aport. Sana patuloy ka sa pagsubaybay sa ating mga vlog. And that's our vlog for today. Kung bago ka sa channel ko, please huwag mong kalimutan i-click ang subscribe button. Click mo na rin ang notification bell at i-follow mo na rin ako sa aking Facebook page para updated ka sa mga bago pa nating video. Kaya paano pa nga ba? I'll see you again sa susunod nating video.